Hello, everyone. Welcome to Kepler 69C345 Mathematics. And so today I'm going to be showing you another amazing topic. So today we are going to be discussing the circumference of a circle. You might know that a circle is something that's round, right? Like you might say the Earth is a circle, right? But actually it's a sphere. Right. Like when you look through a telescope, you might see the moon looks like a circle, but that's actually from our view on Earth. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, so this planet is a circle, although it's only when you view from Earth's surface. From space, you'll see it's actually a sphere. Yeah, some visual models show that it's actually round. Yeah, so there are circles all over here. And we're going to be reviewing about the circumference of a circle. I'm going to show you what circumference is, okay? Just wait patiently and I'll take you through it, okay? So let's see. Yes, there are circles here too. So how to solve for the circumference of a circle? Okay, yes. So if you know how to find the circumference of a circle, you can find how far you must travel to move all the way around the circle. So you have to find out how far you travel to move all the way around the circle. Okay? Yes, you have to find out how much you must move all the way around the circle, making a 360. So the circumference, let me change the color. Circumference is the distance around a circle. Circumference is the distance all the way around a circle. This is the circumference. And we have a ratio called pi. Pi is the ratio of circle's circumference to its diameter. Diameter is basically how, so it's like basically a cross. Diameter is a cross. Yes, this is diameter. Use this symbol. Yeah, that's representing pi, which is approximately 3.14. Yes, and this is the decimal 3.14 over here. So pi is a non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. And of course, remember, you have the formula right here. This is formula for circumference of a circle. This is the formula. Yeah, so this is the formula for the circumference of a circle. Now, let's move on. Oh, and I also forgot to tell you about the radius. The radius is basically half the diameter. This over here is the radius. So radius is basically half the diameter. Yes. Yeah, so you can see that diameter is equal to twice the radius. Yes, and this is correct. Now let's move on. And remember to use this formula. Okay, now we're moving on to the problems. So this one says, find the circumference of the circle shown. The hint is radius is 7 and round to the nearest tenth. Nearest tenth, remember. Okay, now we have the formula here. Yes, look out for the formula. And so here we have radius is 7. Radius equals 7. Now, let's start solving. We can say circumference equals to 2 pi our radius. So circumference is equal to 2 pi 7. So 2 times pi is 6.28. And then you multiply that times 7. Yes, so we multiply that times 7. And we get 6 here. It's very simple. So you have 8 times 7, 56. You have the 5 up there. You have 7 times 2 is 14, plus 5 is 19. And then you have 1 over here. 7 times 6 is equal to 42. Plus 1 is 43. So we have 43.96. Now it says to the nearest tenth. So we have nearest tenth, and we will get an answer of 44. So our circumference all the way around is 44. You see how I solved it? It sounds very simple, right? So you just have to follow along and use this formula and then solve it with that. Okay? And remember, this is the radius. This is radius. And the diameter is basically from this side all the way to this side. Yes, so now let's move on. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, now this one is also asking us to find the circumference. So here it says find the circumference of the circle shown. The hint, radius is 8. Now round to do the nearest tenth again. Yes. So let's use the formula. Use this formula. Now let's put circumference equals to 2 pi r radius. No, there is no squared. Now you have substitute 2 pi radius is 8, like they're shown in the hint. So remember that is 2 times pi is 6.28. Yes, so here, now we can say that here. We have 8 times 8 is 64. Say that here. Yeah, 22, 50. Yes, we are correct. I promise that way we are correct. Now, let's round it to the nearest 10. So we will get an answer of just, well, 50.2. Okay? So we did it. That is the circumference of the circle. Right. So now all of you understand how to solve for the circumference of a circle, right? And always remember that you can use the formula so that you can solve the problem. Always use this formula. Okay. Sorry. Supposed to be. Yes. So make sure to use this formula so that you can solve for the circumference of the circle that you're solving for. Okay? And look out for the hints as well. Okay, now let's move on to a brief summary on slide 6. Okay, so now we'll go for a review. So remember, if you know how to solve for the circumference of a circle, you can find how far you must travel to move all the way around the circle, making a 360 turn. That's all the way around. And remember, the circumference is the distance around the circle. Circumference is distance around a circle. And remember, pi is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. And remember, diameter is equal to twice the radius. Yes, so use this symbol, pi, and this is approximately 3.14. And remember, pi is a non-terminating decimal, non-repeating decimal. Right, and make sure to always use the formula so that you can solve for the circumference of a circle, okay? It's very important that you use the formulas and also look for keywords specifically so that you can become successful like me, okay? Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you give this video a like. Make sure to subscribe to the math channel. And so I'll see you later. Okay? Make sure you can stay strong in math. Don't give up. And always remember to work hard. Okay? See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.